And if you check the narrative of how people been they follow Obi before 2023 election and now, I think that ginger still dey there. You understand? So it will not be out of place if you see him for that particular location. But whether he did there or not, you see youth coming out to say, okay, no, we not agree. You see civil society organizations coming out to say, we want this thing done. They follow the due process. Obi was not part of the people where then they do public hearing on top now. These people have been demanding for this to make it happen. And if you check the body language of people where they support this among all the politicians, now opposition. I never see APC now to come out. For you to, so if you want to check body language of Nigerians, we go know where they belong. I've never seen APC to carry placard say, we want electronic transmission of result. Why are they not coming out? Why only opposition? Maybe it may be part of the reason why they don't even want them in the first place. Why be saying that only opposition, they always fear about credible election in Nigeria? Why incumbents too be scared about it? Say even they feel run things for my back. Maybe at state level, at local government level, at ward level. So they have this impression, say, we are in charge. Because we should be expecting APC to also condemn the Senate move. But we are not hearing from them.